Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing easy DIY remedies for glass-like skin, shiny hair, soft lips, and long lashes, all with natural... Let's start. Glass skin. Aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel as a moisturizer at night. It soothes, hydrates, and adds a natural glow. Rice water toner. Soak rice in water overnight, strain, and use the water as a toner. It helps brighten and even out skin tone. Honey and yogurt mask. Mix equal parts honey and yogurt, then apply to the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask will moisturize and give a natural radiance. Soft lips. Coconut oil and aloe vera. Mix coconut oil with aloe vera gel and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it for an hour before shampooing for smooth and shiny hair. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, 1:3 ratio, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. It balances the scalp's pH and adds shine. Shiny hair. Honey and sugar scrub. Mix honey with a little sugar and gently scrub your lips. Rinse and apply a natural lip balm for softness. Coconut oil or ghee. Apply a small amount of coconut oil or ghee to your lips before bed for dehydration and softness. Rose petals and milk balm. Soak a few rose petals in milk, crush them, and apply to your lips. This gives a natural pink tint and softness. Long, thick lashes. Castor oil. Apply a tiny amount of castor oil on your lashes using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab. It's rich in fatty acids that nourish and may promote growth. Aloe vera gel and vitamin E. Mix aloe vera gel with a drop of vitamin E oil, then apply to lashes with a clean wand for nourishment. Green tea. Brew. Green tea, let it cool, and apply to lashes with a cotton pad. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can strengthen lashes over time. Try these remedies regularly to see lasting effects, and remember to do a patch test for any new ingredient to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction.